Hi there. Thanks for emailing me about your submission to the Chapter 4 problem solve. So let's take a look at step 2, where the feedback you're seeing is the line chart is not the right type and so on and so forth. Okay, so I've downloaded your submission. Let me see if I can find it. This is the one. And you have the right type of chart, but it's not coming across. The source of the data is not correct, and so it's taking off points for all of it. So here's what I need you to do. Go to your sheet that holds the chart, click once on the chart to make it active. Under the Design tab, click Select Data. So what you have done is you have selected B4 through G12, and that's incorrect. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go down here and we're going to remove all of these guys. So I'm just going to click Remove, 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 start from scratch. Then click up here where it says Chart Data Range. So we're going to identify the range of data that we want to use. Click so that your little blinker is blinking. And then once your mouse is in there, you can sort of move this window out of the way. Click the Advertising Cost sheet. Click, hold, and select B4 through G4. Release your mouse. On the keyboard, hold down the Control key and select B12 through G12. So it's not through, yikes, it's not through those, but it's both of them in combination. Okay, so then the next thing we have to do is on the left-hand side where it says Series, click that to make it active, click Edit. The series name, make sure you're active in that box. Click Advertising Costs and click A12. Click OK. And click OK one more time. And there's your beautiful chart. Now, you're probably going to have to reapply all the other settings because it's probably lost its style and this, that, and the other thing. So go forward from there, and it should get you all of the points that you need. If you have any other questions, feel free to email me back.